Oh no.
Niggas been seeing you. They been knowing you doing your thing for a minute. Well, my folks weren't rocking with you. Whole hard life, now you good. You over here with us. It's hard life. First lady raindrop. Smack D. Hey, it's on you, baby girl.
It's my time to shine. I've been on like high. Now the time is mine. It's my time to shine. I've been on like high. Now the time is mine. What should I do? Should I run with different crews? Didn't know which way to go, so I had to pick and choose. So many offers and they waiting on their answers, but I gotta stay focused, don't wanna slip up and lose. Shit don't come easily, gotta wait patiently. I'm a go-getter, it wasn't that hard to choose. It's a hard life, yes that's my life. Hard life entertainment and I didn't have to think twice. I'm in my zone, so I never gotta think twice. It comes naturally, don't gotta think twice. You bitches ain't fucking with me, you better think twice. It's raindrop on the scene, and I'm nothing nice. Man, I'm in it to win it, I can talk it, I did it. All this money, these yinzes, I don't save it, I spend it. Man, I'm in it to win it, I can talk it, I did it. All this money, these yinzes, I don't save it, I spend it. It's my time to shine. I've been on like high. Now the time is mine. It's my time to shine. I've been on like high. Now the time is mine.
Light skin, red bone, fat ass, nice swag. But fuck with lil' mama, you gon' feel that fofo, man. Hard life entertainment, we introducing range drop. She roll with the waters, they say we like a gang spot. Crack on deck, HL is the set, nigga. Bad bitches with blades, you get cut like a check, so watch your mouth when you talk to her, and that's out of respect, nigga. Rambo blade, now you talking out your neck, nigga. Tell her like a brother, don't trust them other niggas. Just put your pretty middle finger up and fuck them other niggas. Hard life is a family, we run it like the mob. The first lady of the red house, bitch, I swear to God. And if you touch it, you will have a scar from here to East Broad. With signs that saying rest in peace in your yard. You fucking with the 614. Hard life's queen, you been grinding for a minute, mama.